Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I'm so happy to be here with all of you. Today we will do a group dynamic and I will present you a case. And I will ask you some questions to evaluate your abilities, to analyze, plan, and to generate effective strategies in a warehouse management. The case is about a distribution company supplying a wide network of retail and wholesale customers, handling a wide variety of products from perishable foods to electronics. Currently, the company is experiencing problems with efficiency in the warehousing process due to lack of space and an increase in demand of some products. In addition to poor organization in the available space, as a warehouse manager, you have been tasked with optimizing the warehousing process to improve operational efficiency and reduce cost. So I'm gonna ask you the first questions to Ariana. The question is about what actions would you take to maximize the use of available storage space?
I think we can take advantage of vertical storage since stacking shelves or storage containers uses height to increase capacity and reduce costs since more items can be stored without the need to acquire new space. Also, obsolete inventory should be detected and disposed of, as this implies higher storage costs. In addition, if there is any space not being used, we must identify them and then lease them to obtain economic benefits.
What about you, Joycey?
Well, in my opinion, another great option to maximize the use of space is perform regular audits and inventory checks will be conducted to identify obsolete or slow moving inventory that can be removed to free up space. In addition, periodic reorientation of SRH areas can help optimize space utilization over time. I would ensure if we put into action this
And you, Juan, what about you?
I will using techniques to assign the most frequently picked items to easily accessible location near the shipping area. Also make use of vertical space by installing taller storage racks or mezzanine levels for storing less frequently accessed items. Another action I would say is use appropriate packaging material and container to minimize waste space between items. And finally, train warehouse staff on efficient space utilization practice and encourage their involvement in identifying opportunities for improvement.
Okay, the next question.
I would apply the ABC method derived from the Pareto diagram for inventory management, which allows segmenting products by importance in categories A, B, and C. In this way, high, medium, and low rotation zones would be established to facilitate the transit of stock.
Okay. The next question is for Juan. What warehouse management technologies or system would you consider implementing to improve efficiency?
Yes, to improve warehouse efficiency, I would consider implementing a range of warehouse management technologies systems, including warehouse management system for optimized inventory management and order processing. Also barcode and RFID system for accurate tracking and streamlined process. Automated storage and retrieval systems to automate storage and retrieval tasks and maximize space utilization. Another picture-like pop-to-life system for error deductions and improve picking efficiency. These technologies collectively enable
And well, I would apply the PEPS inventory method, which means first in, first out. And the goods that have been in the warehouse the longest should be the first to be sold. In this way, product prevented from being damaged by factors such as light, dust, humidity, or temperature. In addition, there is a control of the products bought, sold, and in stock. Also, the use of a warehouse management system or WMS in coordination with other digital programs such as Enterprise Resources Program or a manufacturing execution system.
Okay, the next question is just for Joycey. What measures would you take to ensure worker safety and product integrity during the storage process?
To ensure worker safety and product integrity during the storage process, I will implement safety training and equipment. Provide comprehensive safety training to work, covering proper lifting techniques, equipment operation, and emergency procedures. Ensure that all employees, especially the warehouse workers, with appropriate personal equipment, and they are aware.
Okay, the next question is just for Ariana. How would you communicate and collaborate with other departments, such as purchasing and logistics, to optimize the warehousing process?
Well, this is a very interesting question. First, for me, coordination between the sales, purchasing, warehouse, and transportation department is essential to ensure that orders are delivered in a timely manner, in addition to resolving any unexpected events in the process. To this aim, I would propose to consolidate the historical data of these departments together to make a sales projection without falling into the bias as described in the bullwhip effect, and to align the collaborators towards a common goal. In this way, it is possible to obtain discounts with suppliers, establish competitive prices, and achieve customer satisfaction.
Okay. JC, what strategies would you implement to motivate the warehouse team and foster a collaborative work environment?
I think it's very important to motivate the warehouse team and foster a collaborative work environment. We will implement a recognition and rewards program to acknowledge and celebrate the achievements and contributions of warehouse staff. This could include Employee of the Month awards, performance bonuses, or other incentives to motivate team members and reinforce positive behavior. Employees who feel valued are more likely to remain loyal to the company. A recognition and rewards program reduce turnover rates by creating a supportive work environment where employees feel motivated to stay and grow.
What about you, Juan?
Yes, terms warehouse team effectiveness, I will prioritize open and transparent communication by establishing clear channels for team members to share ideas, concerns, and achievements through individual and group meetings. Additional, I will implement a robust system of recognition and rewards to celebrate individual and team accomplishment, including monthly or quarterly awards and public acknowledgement during team meetings, coupled with opportunities for professional development. Lastly, I will ensure clear assignment of responsibilities to promote ownership and autonomy among team members, uh, while encouraging collaboration through joint projects and knowledge sharing opportunity to foster trust and empowerment.
Okay, well, this is the end of the dynamic. So I want to thank you for your time, and I will give you some notices or news then for Gmail. Okay, bye.
Thank you, Ariana.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Rihanna. Bye.
Bye.